The top stories. Chief Minister Biren MP Bhavananda returned to Imphal. Task for ticket allotment for LS polls yet to be finalized. Chopper service in Manipur to be resumed by June next. And Myanmar's Kate Yakoi preserving Meitei custom, tradition and religion. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The Central Election Committee is likely to announce candidates for the 2 seats of Inner and Outer Manipur parliamentary constituencies quite soon. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, State BJP President and Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhavananda returned to Imphal just afternoon today after the 2 leaders met central leaders to select parties' nominees for the general elections, which will be held in Manipur in 2 phases. The BJP Central Election Committee met in New Delhi yesterday to finalize the first list of candidates for the Lok Sabha polls. Manipur Works Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh, who was part of the New Delhi visit, has already come home. Manipur BJP sources said Chief Minister Biren, KSH Bhavananda and T.H. Biswajit during the meeting with the party high command submitted a list of projected candidates whose details were also presented. Notably, among the BJP ticket seekers for inner seat, names of Dr. Ranjan, K.H. Basanta and K.H. Loken are figured prominently. Speculations are doing round in the political arena that if the opposition Congress in Manipur files a Naga nominee from outer constituency, the BJP may opt for a non-Naga nominee. Expectations are high for Benjamin Mate to get BJP ticket for the outer seat. For Congress, the party ticket is expected to be allotted to former Chief Secretary of Manipur O. Nabakishore for the inner seat, while K. James from Fungyar may get the ticket to contest the forthcoming polls from outer constituency. After a short haul, the helicopter service in Manipur will resume very soon. We have a report.
The helicopter service, which was enjoyed by the people of Manipur for a short period of time, is set to resume in June this year. As per source received by Tom TV, after an agreement was signed between the Director of Transport Department C. Athar and Deputy General Manager of Pawan Hans, the helicopter service was started for Imphal Jiribam, Imphal More and Imphal Tamenglong from September 11 last year. However, it got interrupted all of a sudden on February 14 this year. It has also come to light that the copter service agreement was signed for operating till 6 of March between the state government and Pawan Hans. However, it is still clueless regarding the abrupt halt of the service. In the meantime, the concerned department has already completed initiating necessary steps in connection with the resumption of helicopter service in Manipur, and that people are expected to enjoy the service by the first week of June this year.
The Meiteis living in Kate Yakoi village near Tamu town of Myanmar are still preserving the Meitei custom, tradition and religion. Here's the report.
A large section of Meiteis settling in neighboring Myanmar since many years do not really know about the Meitei culture, religion and even the dialect. Moreover, some of them have even converted their religion to Buddhism. Not far from Tamu, there is a village called Kate Yakoi which is inhabited around 50 people belonging to the Meitei community. It is said that these Meitei people came down from other parts of Myanmar and settled there for the past around 11 years. People with Meitei surnames like Ningthau Khongjam, Takelembam, Sagolsem and some others are found in Kate Yakoi, and it is learned that they all came from Taksikong, Homiland and Ningthil of Myanmar. They share a close bond with each other. One woman by the name Sumati is following the Meitei tradition of worshipping Meitei deities like Nongpok Ningthau, Ima Pantobi and Atia Kurusidaba for so many years at her residence. On top of that, the Meiteis living there used to offer sareng, a local feast, to these deities on every 10th of Lamta month of Meitei lunar calendar. Like last year, the director of Mutua Museum Manipur, Mutua Bahadur, along with several others came down to this Meitei village and made offerings to the Meitei gods and goddesses this year. Mutua Bahadur told our reporters that many meters from nearby Ningti River and other parts of Myanmar came and settled there, and more importantly, they came here to seek blessings from the Meitei deities, he added. The Meitei community in Kate Yakoi still follow and preserve their religion, food habit, besides wearing traditional attires.
Maruina, Aikogi, Ninti Kun, Amadi, Homalin, Amadi, Ate, Ninti Kuman by Metaba, taking a Punjalaga, known as Heniba, Kulamani. Kulasi, Nasi, Maruina Pantoli, Visi, Kari, Damakta High Target, Hariba, Laliba Lai, Noponto, Amadi, Mapantovi, Amazon, Atiago Sidava, Hariba, Laiasi, Akogi, Laptagi, Tarani Pan, but Numit, that say, Kuding Oina, Anova. Samtang Sering Katuna, the Poo Hoduna, a Papata Yemba, Adumba, Jahi, Salon Kapa, Adumba Toromani. Toromasida, Masida, Pantagi, Tomaton, Music, Karalak, Toromasi, Pankokoni.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
lamjingbatomtv miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari kari no
khudong chaba kaya ma pizari aikoina phanganjari ba product sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus amasung genset ni documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba aikoigi sport servicing van adongi damakta matam pumbada leijari bus sing yon madanatana school, college, universities, office ki tama contract basis da lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari amadi genuine lay parts sing su phangdigani adongi mai pakpana aikoigi mai pak.
Welcome back after the break. In Manipur, young girls have started collecting donations from passers-by on roads everywhere with the arrival of Yeltsin Holy Festival, for which enthusiasm of the people reaches its peak.
Young girls have started collecting donations from passers-by on roads everywhere with the onset of Yeltsin festivities in Manipur. Every vehicles are stopped to collect money for the celebration of Yeltsin everywhere. The biggest festival of Manipur is celebrated for 5 days and starts from the full moon day of Lamta, the last month of Meitei lunar calendar.
Akoi chahiam da mutang nak panina kwa sumnungai ba pokchai du sumaina lambi thatpada yam thithina chai biramu jaiba chahiam matang ya mutang nak pajida ba tara do sumanga do or jo khoina hapiram do penja doine ba kwa atumaina moijo maja masupu ini nupi jo chamane kwa khitang atumaina harang na habani.
Though the long practice of collecting of money from every person on the road for Yeltsin festival has its uniqueness and beauty, unwanted incidents like road mishaps looms.
Gari accident ama thokpa ama leitana ngawar gang phairaga thorala pa mayam ju lei masi akoina khara control torga akoina yengbi tare.
Precautionary measures are needed to be taken up to avoid creation of unwanted situation during this festival, and that ensuring of a disturbance-free festival and an unwanted incident-free festival remains a big question.
The Kangla Mode opposite CC High Secondary School was cleaned up today by the authorities after dead fishes were found in the moat water in the past 2 days. The officials of Manipur Pollution Control Board confirmed that the water has been defiled, and subsequently a combined team of Department of Fisheries, Forests, Manipur Police and National Disaster Response Force took up a cleaning drive in the moat. Liquid medicines were also sprayed into the water to kill germs. Officials said if the present condition of the water continues to deteriorate, they are planning to pump out the water and replace it with fresh water. A teenage boy was left near his house after being abducted and brutally thrashed by 5 young men. The incident took place at Uripok Sorbontingel in Imphal West around 5 p.m. of 15th March when he was abducted by the assaulters. According to a report, the victim boy is identified as K. Borish, aged 13 years, son of Sikandar from Uripok, Sorbontangil. It is said that Boris was critically injured in the incident and that his family is planning to get his treatment outside the state. Family sources said Boris was abducted by the 5 people before he was subjected to severe beating at Iroisemba. From there, the assaulters brought him back to his locality. The culprits behind the attack were identified through a CCTV footage installed at the site where the incident happened. Imphal police have so far arrested 3 people in connection with the incident. The family appealed to the authorities to bring the remaining 2 culprits to book by March 19 as an agreement was reached between the family and authorities to settle the matter on the same date.
Police angang pagat na ko dong tor kansa mi sura ban to kan mi ahum khak oiram maneba oiram post da ko na mi ahum oita ga de ko negotiation taw na ba ngamoi ha ko si lak ko neba angan bagisda ag pung mari mu ta bas da police na moi mi loi sure negotiation taw na se hai kan da ko ne sat kan da di negotiation taw na se ne taw kan da di moi mi ahum ka tang oiram maneba sai pha ba dum oi le maneba Oirambadagi, Akone, me home Katani, me Manga Sudri book, the Akone negotiation, Tawbanga Moy Haraga, Akoi Lakoneva. I don't want date 19 Tare, date 19 Tarak, the book, Yangini, she booked the Tawbangam, the Taraga di Akoi Toga never. Isha the Tauriba, Subsab, each other pung with Iraxia, Subana, Subsana Mushu, Pungan, but Pame.
Prior to the 49th Annual Sports Festival 2019, Citizen Club Wangkai Kunau Soibam Laikai organized cleanliness camp around the perimeter of the club under 4 categories. More than 500 people attended the cleanliness camp under Kobru, Tangzing, Wangbren and Moirang categories. President of the Citizen Club, Nongthombam Romeo Kumar said that the camp was held with the objective to conserve sports in the state and keeping our surrounding clean.
So this is the 21st of March, again 24th of March. Box at Zagadaba. Sigi Mango in a Quena Togzavania, Quena curtain riser, I tell sports, Sigi, Hotel Sports, curtain riser in a Quena, Sigumba, social services in Zavania, Kogi, Panagi, Kogi Tabak Tana, CN Song, may have to warm up the Voina, Kogi organizers, board organizers, other participants, athletes, Mayam Punna, Tominaraga, Koi, Loinama, Koi, my bell, Chalice. If
such kind of activities is continued by every organizations or the clubs located in and around Imphal, then one can see a lot of changes and the cleanliness and the development that can be seen in our localities and the surrounding areas. With camera person Sarah Chandra, this is Blessing Yang Mai for Tom TV News, Wangkai Kunau, Imphal.
Lions Club of Imphal, in association with Apunba Chowkhat Tharanglup, organized a one-day free health camp at the Sanglen of Apunba Chowkhat Tharanglup in Urembam, Awanglekai today. The camp was attended by doctors and paramedical staff. Free checkup for problems related to dental, pediatric, medicine and gynae were done and free medicines were also distributed. Secretary of Lions Club of Imphal, Wahengbam Gyanmani said the camp was conducted with an aim to serve the public and lower diseases to a certain extent.
Dr. Marab arrange to dak mayam to pin lega appeal dugi matung na koi response to bungam mating pang wan diabetes ki to the ICD Academy of the World Diabetes Day mari lenina koi kainona tok jabne koi Lions Club Imphal.
Member of 14 Uchekon Nongchup Jila Parisad Seramne can organize a program of distribution of sports materials and handover of financial assistance to the local clubs within the jurisdiction of 14 Uchekon Nongchup Jila Parisad in connection with annual Yauksang Sports Festival 2019. Youth coordinator of Nongchup Jila Parisad KH Ibohanbi and various club members under the same jurisdiction attended the event. The Dynamic Manipur organized its 15th Inspiration Episode event under the theme Leadership and Financial Literacy at Rotary Club of Imphal, Manipur today. Director of Institute of Cooperative Management ICM, Dr. N. Ranjana, and President of Assure Asset Advisory Private Limited Imphal, who is also the CEO of the company, Oinam Patel Singh, were the main guests at the event. Speaking to Tom TV News on the sideline, General Secretary of Dynamic Manipur Thokchom Roshan said that the program is organized on episode-wise, showcasing the success stories of various indigenous professionals to inspire and motivate the future generations.
Competent oiba adugumba leadership ki quality ma sial matamda individual khudimang na sial matamda akhoi gi society si chawkhat kadawni na sigi maramda akhoi gi youth sing sida inspire tawba dugumba program ni aduga financial literacy se akhoi gi like tammi ba khoi curriculum da su financial literacy gi maram da su akhoi pak na yaudabani na akhoi se master lore phd lore harga su akhoi gi thabak taw ba phangdaba government gi thabak phangdaba gi mayam ama akhoi da create tawriba se finance asing baki akhoi gi wakan khaluragadi paisa gi heta tarakpa adna paisa je kamai tanba yai ka haibagi maramda akhoi financial literacy on wealth creation haijida akhoi sir patel ngangbi bani ngasi gi sida adna akhoi gi ngasi gi unemployment gi achuk chawraba issue ama lairi se ngasi gi event se yauraba matungda di akhoi gi paisa je samaina akhoi create tawba yai na sakoi akhoi ji isana self sustain ohenba yai na haibagi adu main theme du da akhoi ngasi gi program se pangthok pane adu.
Let's take a short break once again.
Lamjingba jewelry na adom gidama khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari ekhoi gi service sing di inat kyoiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari sana asamal khwaidagi nemna logzari nomaizing numitsu adom gi service ta leizari Nasimak Lengsin Birau, Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbajewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Nongin Service, a multi-service provider. Yumthong Kudingda service Fanghanjari. Mobile application ki kuthang gisu online da order tawbagi kudong chaba leiraba. Pizariba service singdi. Electrical service, plumber, housekeeping service, breakfast, lunch and snacks service, painting service, welding service, photography and videography service, catering service, beauty service, interior design and construction, tutor service, security management, vehicle repairing service, e-taxi service, computer and printer repairing and installation service. Akhoi address Kaisampar Hodam Leirak opposite oil pump. For more details, please contact us at 76410-15632, 8787-455-896 or download our free mobile app Nongin Service from Google Play. Or visit our website www.nonginservice.com or mail us at nonginservice@gmail.com.
Welcome back. Congress President Rahul Gandhi will kickstart the party's poll campaign in Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura next week. Gandhi will visit the state on March 19. The Congress President will arrive at Imphal from Arunachal Pradesh on March 19, where he will address a public meeting at Hafta Kangjibung the next day, after which he will leave for Tripura. Days after the Congress in Arunachal Pradesh announced an alliance with People's Party of Arunachal PPA, the regional party yesterday said it would maintain equal distance from the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. The president of Arunachal Pradesh Congress, Takam Sanjoy, earlier this week said the party had finalized the alliance with the PPA while talks were on with the Janata Dal Secular. While two PPA legislatures joined the Congress in December last year in 2016, led by Pema Khandu, 33 of the 43 PPA legislatures joined the BJP and formed the BJP-led government in the state. 5 Indians were among the 50 people killed by a gunman who opened fire on worshippers at 2 mosques in Christchurch in the worst attack on Muslims in New Zealand. The Indian High Commission in New Zealand confirmed that 5 Indians were killed in the attack. They are identified as Mehboob Khokar, Ramesh Vora, Asif Vora, Ansi Abhibaba and Ozai Kadir. About 2 lakhs Indians and Indian origin people live in New Zealand, out of which over 30,000 of them are students. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Congress releases third list of 18 candidates for Lok Sabha elections. Speculations on BJP's choice continue. Election Commission of India effects transfers ahead of polls. Highway tonnage raised. MDA team back. The People's Chronicle. Election Commission puts curve on manifesto release. Interviews. Will pursue MPB after polls. MPCC hands candidate wish list to AICC. TBCA conference from March 28. Media Committee on Hepatitis C formed. Imphal Free Press. International drug racket busted. 2 drug mules from Manipur arrested with 32 kg of heroin. BJP shortlist 3 potential candidates each for inner and outer constituencies. The Morning Bell. Media persons sensitized on paid news. 2 NAP staff, 3 VDF among accused smuggling WY. MHRC team visits Moray to spread awareness on human rights. Indian Army organizes one-day tour to Imphal. Mass rally held against bomb attack at Moljan Chief residence. Manipur Mail. Finalization of party tickets for Lok Sabha polls expected. Paid news awareness campaign held. Han Pakwada's celebration.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Chief Minister Biren MP Bhavananda returned to Imphal. Task for ticket allotment for Lok Sabha polls yet to be finalized. Chopper service in Manipur to be resumed by June next. And Myanmar's Kate Yakoi preserving Meitei customs, tradition and religion. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.